least 10 or 12 deer here right now, including 4 fawns, which is a record for number of fawns here at one time. And even Bambi is here, who I had not seen in a few days. It's okay, little one. It's okay. Relax. It's okay, little one. Hiding behind the pole. That's the little tiny one. Little tiny orphan. Seems to be doing okay. Maybe a little thin. That big mama just chased it out of the food. Jeez. Oh, I wouldn't try it, little one. I wouldn't try it. She don't care. Oops, somebody else getting chased out. I can't help but feel bad for those little orphans. It's going to be a struggle for them to make it. But I have a plethora of deer here right now. There's one fawn and 3 more right there.